What's a little girl?
Hello, welcome to today's video. It is a very special one featuring Victoria. She is the thrifting queen, and so we are going thrifting because it's true. So she's gonna go take me thrifting.
Doing it. I'm gonna take you. I'm gonna give you like the things I tell newbie thrifters for
Here we go.
Like, how to be better at thrifting.
I am going to learn how to thrift properly.
You're gonna do it. I believe in you.
Nope. So we're gonna go get coffee first.
Always.
Because children, motherhood, you know. Coffee.
Toddlers.
Okay, we're here, but before we go in, what's your biggest tip?
Google is your friend. Google is your friend. Always.
Why?
Because if you find something that looks expensive, you can always look it up and figure out how much it'd be worth originally.
Oh.
When you see something old like this, check the bottom. Okay, well, it's porcelain, most likely, but you can see all those cracks. So a lot of porcelain before the 1950s had lead in them. So if they're cracked like this, they're unsafe to use. So unless you're using this as like a display piece or maybe for your jewelry, probably not the safest thing to have in your house. That would be so uncomfortable to wear.
Okay, like how do you know if it's polyester?
I feel 100% polyester. I was right. It's vaguely scratchy, kind of plasticky feeling. Feels like old clothes from the 90s. Never ever, if you can avoid it, buy polyester. One, it sheds microplastics. Two, it's very uncomfortable and doesn't breathe. It's like wearing a plastic shell. Okay, this is the type of thing that I would try to Google because it has the original tag on it, and you could get a pretty penny for this on Facebook Marketplace, depending on if it's worth money or not. So like, sometimes you can buy something from the thrift store that you don't intend on wearing and resell it on Facebook Marketplace to make, you know, some money.
Okay, so our kids section out in the lower mainland does not look this nice. I will say that. Our kids section looks like a bomb went off, and it's all the leftover clothes.
This is the early 2000s, maybe actually? Early 2000s girls skort. Remember
Yep.
skorts?
Yep. What's a short sleeve?
Oh, it's cute.
This one I'm taking home.
I
with
love
me.
it.
Just right with this outfit right now too.
So cute.
But it has to be done right.
Yeah. I really like this one. Roll the sleeves up. Not like that. Like roll them. To like the 3/4.
It's gonna take forever. I'm kind of glad that I've got a mask on right now so that you can't see my struggle face. I like that it goes down.
Yeah.
That's what my whole thing with blazers is. I just don't like them super high.
Very cute, very cute.
It's also like, it can be summery and
Yeah, I mean you
winter.
can wear it like as a fall jacket too.
yeah.
Another instance of Google this because these have the original tag, so you want to know what the original price is because this could have been on sale. So look these up, look at the brand. So it's fake leather that tricked me even, and I know leather. But I think that I don't trust that it's not real leather. That feels like leather to me. These are nice. I have a small, I mean gigantic obsession with planes and wooden toys. So getting like a cute little jet. Never buy sweaters with polyester in them because they immediately pill like that. Also, they get really scratchy, but this is 100% cotton. See the difference between 100% cotton and like pilled polyester? Here, let's see. Something like this, when you wash it, will just turn really ratty.
We are going to Plato's Closet. It is really windy. No, it's not actually that windy, but it's windy for this. Ooh.
God, I can't. It's cute though.
It's so cute. It's so gorgeous.
I don't even see a brand name. Maybe handmade.
It is absolutely gorgeous out here. That's why I decided to do this whole thing outside. But that is what I caught from Value Village and Plato's Closet. I am currently wearing one of my favorite pieces from Plato's Closet. My apologies about the wind. That was so fun, and I learned some very valuable tips about Google and about checking the material. I feel like the material is really helpful to know. Like polyester is not great. Just different things like that if you want pieces of clothing that are gonna last. Anyways, that was a wonderful day. Thrifting with Victoria. She is currently making dinner right now. So thank you, Victoria. That was fun. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. It really helps me out. And I will see you in next week's video. Bye!